Hello! Welcome sa Kaka Shares! Since meron na po tayong Tony Talks and Luis Listens, ako naman po ang Kaka Shares. O diba, bongga? Dahil today is Valentine's Day, Happy Valentine's everyone! Sa lahat ng singles dyan at sa may kadobol! Sa mga tao pong nagbigay niyang kanilang time and opinion, thank you so much po. You make this first episode possible. At sa mga tao rin po na hindi pa sumasagot, may next episode pa po. Doon na lang po kayo pumawi. Thank you! For our first episode, ang topic po natin ay career o love life. Alin nga po ba talaga yung mas mahalaga? Career o love life? According to our first sharer, a 22-year-old student, she chooses love life. Kasi, according to her, my partner helped me build that career and we are growing together. That's an ideal relationship. And sana, lahat tayo magkaroon ng ganyan. Ay, meron na pala ako. O siya, tama na yan. Proceed na tayo sa ating second sharer. He is a 29-year-old career man. Tama ba? Kasi pag babae, career woman. So, pag lalaki, career man. Sige nga po, comment down below if tama ako or ano ba dapat. According to him, career. Dahil, before I focus sa love life, I am financially stable for family. So, finances won't be a topic for love conflict. Sana katulad ni Sir lahat ng lalaki, na pinaghahandaan na agad yung future para hindi na sila parehas mahirapan. Salute po sa inyo, Sir. Isa po kayong green flag. Thank you! And for our next sharer, a 21-year-old student, sabi niya, some people prioritize their career because it provides financial stability, personal fulfillment, and professional growth. Others prioritize their love life because they value companionship, emotional support, and personal growth. But for me, it's possible to have both a successful career and a fulfilling love life. With careful balance, effective communication, and prioritization of what matters most to you at different stages of life. The word that catches my attention here is that with careful balance, you can have both a successful career and relationship. And for the priority at different stages of life, doon pumapasok ang effective communication. Kasi dapat lahat pinag-uusapan nyo. Kasi bilang isang individual, meron tayong kanya-kanyang priority, like your family, your career, your friends. And minsan kahit gaano mo pa kamahal yung karelasyon mo, gusto mo pa rin mapag-isa. And for our next sharer, both, parehas silang motivation to do good, to work harder sa career, need ng inspiration or paglalaanan like love of your life. 28 from Bulacan City. Sa tingin ko, super duper in love si ate. Congratulations, I miss you. From our next sharer, 38 years of age, para sa akin, career po, para makatulong sa pamilya. Alam na alam ko tong ganitong pakiramdam. Kaya nga masyado na akong na-late mag-asawa. Don't worry po, hindi kami nag-iisa. I'm just here. And our next sharer, syempre, sa akin love life kasi priority ko muna anak ko ngayon. Parang masayahin tong tao na to. Masasabi ko na lang, sana all masayahin. I miss you, Mommy! And for our next sharer, for me career siguro. Kasi di naman magiging maganda yung relasyon nyo kung mahal mo lang siya at mahal ka lang niya. Kung hindi ka naman masaya na di mo natupad yung mga goals mo for yourself. Also, you can have this too naman with the right person. Kasi if you have good communication and willing to support each other's goals and plans, you can have a good career, also good love life. Kyla Monique, 23 ng Laguna. Mukhang marami pang gustong matupad si ate for herself. Pero that's a good thing. Don't worry, you're still young. You can do it. Fight, fight, fight! And from, again, our next sharer, Love Life with Career, 31, Philippines! O siya, wala na akong masasabi dyan kasi yun ang gusto mo eh. Congratulations na lang for your upcoming wedding. I love you! Uy, tapusin nyo to ba? Nasa pangatlo na tayo mula sa dulo. Ang sabi niya, honestly, you can have both. You can have your sweetest loved one while chasing your greatest dream. But if I were to choose one, I think that could be career. As being practical, I would rather wait for the right person while indulging for the early success so that I could also share my fruits with my loved one in the future. And yep, just like someone else's mantra in life, true love can truly wait. RD Suarez, 29, Philippines! Basta kapag dumating na yung the one mo, invite mo pa rin kami sa wedding mo ha. I miss you, dear. And from our second to the last, for me, I want both. Kasi parehas naman talaga silang mahalaga. Magkakaiba lang tayo ng priority. Bakit? Magkaiba ng priority. Depende sa social status. Halimbawa, priority mo ang career dahil umaasa ang family mo sa'yo. Pwede naman din na pointless sa'yo ang love life dahil takot kang magsayang ng time at masaktan. Pwede naman din na priority mo ang love life mo because of social status din. At opinion ko lang po sa love life, hindi boring pag may love life kasi napakadaming emotions ang gagamitin mo pag may love life ka. Hindi ka tulad ng single, haha. Basta single, happy lang yon lang. So kapag single ka, bawal ka malungkot, no? Dapat happy lang. Joke lang po. And for our last sharer, depende kung saan ka magiging masaya. Pero ang love life, kailangan din asikasuhin. Then, sunod ang career. Saan nga ba talaga tayo magiging masaya? Sa successful career or sa happy love life? Depende yan sa priority mo, pero kailangan lagi araw-araw mong piliin maging masaya.